Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Somapti Rani. I am studied at Department of Chemistry, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. My presentation topic is viscosity of coefficient, effect on temperature and pressure on viscosity. First of all, what is viscosity? Viscosity is a property of all fluids because it deals with the way the particles flow around one another. It is the thickness of the fluid. Both gases and liquids have some degree of viscosity. However, it is easier to comprehend viscosity in liquids because we can see and feel the thickness of the fluid. Next, the big idea. Viscosity is the term we use to describe the thickness or thinness of a fluid and how well it flows. Fluids that have a high viscosity are said to be very thick and do not flow easily. Example: honey, molasses, tar. Fluids that have a low viscosity are said to be thinner and flow more easily. Example: water, pop, juice. Let's have a look at some example of fluids with different viscosity levels and compare them. First, the oil. Second, syrup. Third, petroleum. Here, first, the high viscosity of petroleum, and then syrup, and then oil. The next slide. Practice classifying. Please list these fluids in order from the most viscous to the least viscous. Here we see that salad dressing, molasses, water, syrup, cream. In this substance, the molasses are higher viscosity, and mm, then the viscosity high is syrup, and then salad dressing, cream, and last and the least viscosity is water. The next slide. Factor affecting viscosity. Viscosity is very temperature dependent. Viscosity of a liquid decreases with increasing temperature. Example: it is easier to pour skin lotion during summer than cold season. If we increasing temperature in a liquid, the liquid cohesive force is decreased. For these reasons, the viscosity is decreased. Different oils are used in hot and cold countries. Viscosity of a gas increase with increasing temperature because if we increase the temperature in a gas, the gas molecules are are chip- are friction. For these reasons, the viscosity is increasing. The next slide. Coefficient of viscosity. The coefficient of viscosity is defined as the force in line that must be exerted between two parallel layers of liquid 1 centimeter square in area and 1 centimeter apart in order to maintain a laminar velocity. Coefficient of viscosity is defined at eta, varies for different substances. Eta equal FL divided by VA. Here F equal force, L length, V, V volume, A area. Units of coefficient of viscosity. The unit of coefficient of viscosity is Pascal into second. The next slide. The effect of temperature on viscosity. As the temperature of liquid increases, its viscosity decreases. When a fluid is heated, the particles will slide and roll more quickly, thus making it flow more readily, making its viscosity decreases. If the temperature drops, the particles slow down, thus viscosity increases. The fluid flows more easily. The next slide. The effect of temperature on viscosity. Temperature effect of the viscosity of materials. Liquid. When we heated liquid, viscosity decreases, and when we cool the liquid, viscosity increases. For gases, If we increase heat, viscosity increases, and if we cold for gas, viscosity decreases. The next slide. Thank you, everyone.